Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a neck cream from the brand Sanfe, and this is the Sanfe Promise Neck Glow Cream. This 30 grams of product retails for 349 rupees, but on Nykaa you'll always see a discount on this product. You must have noticed some people have dark skin on their neck, especially on the back side of their neck. They have some dark skin, and that skin can be dry, rough, patchy, and that looks a little crusty. And overall, that kind of hampers your personality a little bit. And the condition for dark skin can be medical, or that can be some kind of a skin issue. You need to visit your doctor or a dermatologist to get treated for your dark neck. But if you are looking for a topical cream for that area of your neck, then this product is definitely going to help you. The active ingredients in this product are vitamin C and AHA. This will moisturize your skin. This will even out your skin tone. This will exfoliate your skin. This product is safe for use. Like if you are above 18, then you can use this. This is not meant for children. And also this will visibly remove darkness on your neck. This gives immediate results. Like 92% people saw this, like their skin was feeling very soft after applying this cream. After using this cream for 1 week, 87% people notice like their skin tone on their neck is getting lighter. And after using this cream continuously for 3 weeks, 85% people notice their skin tone, the texture has improved. Their skin is no longer looking very dry or crusty. The texture of the skin has changed. It is looking more soft and soft to touch. So in a matter of 3 weeks, you'll start noticing like your skin is getting soft. It is getting even toned, and also all the dry patches and crustiness, everything is going. Okay, so upon opening, this is how we get the cream. If you can see, this is the texture of the cream. This has a very nice citrusy kind of a fragrance and very mild. It's not that overpowering. It's a very nice mild kind of a fragrance, and you have to massage it like this on your neck, and you have to do this twice a day. I would advise you to do this like once in the morning after taking a shower. You do this, and once before sleeping do this, because then your neck, this cream will be on your neck for good 7 to 8 hours. It will get a good time to rejuvenate your skin. Fragrance is very nice and mild, and as I told you, citrusy kind of a fragrance, so it feels like orange kind of a fragrance, which is very good. And this absorbs very easily. You just have to massage it until this penetrates into your skin. You have to use a very less amount on your skin. Just a pea size amount is more than enough, because this spreads very easily, and also this absorbs very easily, so you have to use a very less amount. So do give this a try. I'll put the link in the description box. It'll be easier for you to find this product. And also I would advise you to try such neck products, neck creams and all, because your neck shows the first signs of aging very easily. And this is the first thing which people notice when you meet someone. Your neck is very much visible. You cannot cover your neck unless it's winter, so you cannot cover your neck. So please take good care of your neck, and scrub it, like occasionally scrub your neck. And again, I'm saying, if you have any medical condition because of which your neck is dark, do get yourself treated from a doctor or a dermatologist. Otherwise, if you just want to give this cream a try for your dry, patchy, dark neck, you can give this a shot. This is safe. There won't be any side effects. So that was it. My throat. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.